When it comes to prepping, sustainability is becoming a bigger priority for many. In this video, we'll explore eco-friendly candle options that provide light during emergencies while being kind to the environment. First up, beeswax and soy candles. Both are natural, biodegradable, and free from harmful toxins found in traditional paraffin candles. Plus, they burn longer and cleaner, making them a great sustainable option for preppers. If you want a zero-waste solution, consider solar-powered lanterns. They don't rely on fossil fuels or single-use materials and can be recharged using sunlight, perfect for off-grid or emergency situations. Another eco-friendly alternative is making your own candles using natural waxes and fiber wicks. This gives you full control over the ingredients, ensuring they're free from synthetic chemicals. By incorporating these eco-friendly candles into your prepping supplies, you'll not only have reliable lighting but also reduce your environmental impact. For those who prioritize both preparedness and sustainability, these eco-friendly options are a win-win. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below this video for helpful links.